Alright guys, welcome to Jolly Kitchen with Kiet. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to make a simple pad Kaprao. If you are ready, we're going to start jump right into the cooking. Now, pad Kaprao has been a very well-known for like quick dish and Thai street food, and it has been so many variety of pad Kaprao. Today's episode, I'm going to show you the core how to make pad Kaprao. And the ingredients we're going to require for this dish, very short. First of all, we're going to need some of the holy basil or Ka Prao, and the second is the super hot chili, or usually we use the prickinu in Thailand, and this is the hottest one I could find here in Australia. And we're going to need some garlic cloves. And with the fresh chili and the garlic, we are going to put into the mortar and pestle here and pound it to coarse. So we are not going to make the chili paste, so make sure when you pounding it, one is breaking up, you stop. All right, we're not making the chili paste for the curry. So this stir fry, you're going to need a little bit of chunky, a little bit of texture. As you can see here, the way I make, so once it's crushed and it's breaking down and the chili and the garlic mix together like this, and it is ready for use. The core basic of the pad Kaprao is the spiciness. A from the basil leaves, B is from the chili. So as a Thai style, I like it spicy, so the hotter is the better. Alright, the choice of meat is totally up to you, and as I said before, you can use with pork, beef, chicken, seafood. The variety, it just depends upon your choice. Right, I'm going to show you the core basic of this dish today. Now I like to mince my own chicken, so I'm just have a little bit of texture instead of like buying the package. I'm going to heat up the pan here. We're going to go on high heat immediately. So once you see the smoke coming out from the oil, it's time to put the chili and garlic into the pan. So we're going to do quick stir. If you put the chili and garlic into the pan and fries and it's smoke coming out of this one, you're going the right way. If your neighbor starts sneezing, that's a good sign, alright? Don't be alarmed. If you have smoke alarm near your kitchen, turn it off immediately, otherwise you're gonna trigger it. Alright, we're going to fragrance this. Garlic and chili burned in the hot oil is so aromatic. It's so nice to smell it, and you're going to sneeze. Don't be alarmed, this is a good sign. So once you fragrance this, we're going to start adding the choice of meat. Today I'm going to use chicken, so I'm going to add my chicken in here. So chicken going to be stir fry in the high heat. Make sure that you don't cook it for too long, okay? It's going to release the juice of the water from the chicken meat. That won't be looking good for the dish. So what are we looking in this step? This step going to fry the chicken. So make sure on the high heat and quick stir. So make sure it's evenly cooked and it's dry up like this. And it's time to seasoning. The only thing I'm used to season the dish is the fish sauce. Nothing else. So if you like soy sauce, oyster sauce, whatever other sauce, that's up to you. I'm showing you the basic here. And then sprinkle some of the holy basil you prepare. Turn the heat off immediately once you put the basil in there. It's still cooked, don't worry. So just flip it a couple of times, make sure it's all well combined. So to serve the dish, it can't go without. This is a little bit the extra into the dish is to add the sunny side up eggs. I love sunny side up egg with my pad kaprao, okay? And this is how I make it. So I crack the eggs, beat up a little bit egg white, so it gets some air in there. So I just put it in here into the hot oil, and then I put back the egg yolk in there so it looks nice and fancy. Some people like it's a bit like crunchy, crispy. Me too. I love the crispy outside and a little bit like half cooked on the inside for the egg yolk. So that's perfect for me. Ooh, I can smell deliciousness coming out of this dish already. I can't wait. Alright, let's have a look at this dish. If this makes you mouth watering right now, I'm going to serve with fish sauce and with garlic and chili in there to complete the dish. And here you are. This is the end result from my cooking today. This is the basic pad kaprao or chicken basil that I'm showing you today. So I hope you guys like what you see here. And don't forget to try and let me know down in the comment below. Alright, thank you for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.